Chandragupta Maurya and the Mauryan Empire. The Mauryan dynasty was founded by Chandragupta Maurya in the beginning of the 4th century BC. Maurya succeeded the Nandas in 321 BC. Kautilya was his mentor and guide. Chandragupta overthrew the last Nanda ruler and occupied his capital, Pataliputra. He continued to capture territories and gradually moved towards central India. After ascending the throne, Chandragupta turned his attention to Punjab, western and northwestern India. In the northwest, he defeated Seleucus Nicator, the Greek governor appointed by Alexander, and freed northwest India from Greek control. Gradually, Afghanistan, Baluchistan, and areas west of the Indus became a part of Chandragupta's empire. Chandragupta also conquered many territories in the south, stretching his empire beyond the Vindhyas up to the Deccan. Chandragupta Maurya built a vast empire which extended from the Hindu Kush in the northwest to Bengal in the east and from the Himalayas in the north to Narmada in the south. Towards the end of his life, in 298 BC, Chandragupta became a Jain monk and gave up the throne in favor of his son, Bindusara. Bindusara succeeded his father in about 298 BC. He extended the empire as far as the modern-day Karnataka. In the entire subcontinent, only Kalinga and the southernmost parts were outside the Mauryan rule. Bindusara died around 273 BC and was succeeded by his son, Ashoka.